Why $100 billion market cap for Dogecoin Doge and 14,500% rally for Mutuum Finance MUTM are not as wild as they sound. In 7 days, over 120 million Doge tokens have been purchased by large-scale investors, commonly known as whales. Doge, which is already on the map as GOAT if we look at the previous market movements of this shocking coin, analysts observing the historical pattern say that this spike in whale activity may push Doge to a price target of $4.5, corresponding to a market cap of a behemoth over $100 billion. In the meantime, Mutuum Finance is causing a stir when it comes to pre-sales. The third phase is already an impressive 80% done and tokens are being sold at $0.02 each. Those who get in early can potentially lock in a 25% profit before phase 4's $0.025 price increase, while the project's tokenomics suggest explosive gains after the asset has launched. Whale activity signals confidence in Dogecoin. Recent whale transactions of Dogecoin signal interest from institutional investors despite rising volatility on the market. According to strategists, Doge's 20-day simple moving average SMA is approaching a parabolic trajectory associated with price rallies in the past. One prediction envisions a rise to $4.50, though naysayers wonder if that's possible based on the meme coin's dependence on social sentiment. And, while Doge's community-based momentum is still powerful, its way to a $100 billion valuation depends on speculation, a more dangerous plan than MUTM's structured development model. Mutuum Finance presale gathers speed. Mutuum Finance MUTM, now in its third presale phase, has seen an impressive total of 6,800 holders and has already generated a total of $4.9 million raised since launch. For just 2 cents, with the next stage of the token priced at $0.025, current buyers will already net a 25% gain. Phase 3 participants receive 200% return due to the high listing price of $0.06. The launch of MUTM has generated reassuring market expectations that its price will rise to $3.50 by late 2025 because of its buyer distribution functionality. Stackers benefit from an ongoing demand source that receives compensation through token purchases that use part of this revenue stream. In contrast with Dogecoin's the up and down of viral hype, Mutuum Finance's lending protocols over-collateralized loans and peer-to-peer negotiations, base value on real DeFi utility. Long-term token economics sustain demand. Mutuum Finance has its MT tokens distributed through its ecosystem that accrue interest on each passing block to provide incentives for depositing MT tokens with the protocol for longer. Liquidity providers receive variable yields dependent on pool utilization, and borrowers obtain capital by locking collateral. Such stability is critical, a necessity that is non-existent in other speculative tokens. 40% of MUTM's supply is allocated for liquidity mining and partnerships as well as blocked of the risk of market saturation. And with a $100,000 giveaway that helped to skyrocket engagement. The project is looking to cement itself as a DeFi mainstay, not just a passing fad. Audit before exchange listings. With Mutuum Finance MUTM moving to exchange listings, developers are currently finalizing the CertiK audit, which is ensuring the safety of the smart contracts. Once completed, the results of the audit will be posted on social channels, bolstering investor confidence. The transparency of the audit coupled with burns of tokens related to the platform's revenue will serve to lessen sell pressure, a clear leg up over meme coins that can fall into precipitate declines. Dogecoin's $100 billion market cap and Mutuum Finance's 14,500% rally projections reflect the different mechanisms driving their growth, cultural momentum and systemic demand. Despite Doge's speculative upside, MUTM's presale structure and utility-driven model provide a more quantitative roadmap to profits. Please like, comment, share and follow this channel for more information or updates on news crypto.